Hey everyone, another product I'd like to talk about is our metal detailer, and I kind of call this a sleeper in our lineup of products. And what I mean by that is we've got a phenomenal formula here that does a lot of different things. It cleans, shines, and protects. And what I mean by that is it's not just for chrome and aluminum, but one area that I use this a lot at is in my house on my stainless appliances. It lays down a beautiful finish. It gets rid of all those weird fingerprints and smudges. Maybe you got a little bit of grease on your appliances that you are having difficult time getting off, and it leaves a streak and a smudge behind. This right here with a nice clean microfiber towel will make your appliances look brand spanking new. Another area that I use this product is I've got a car not many people are aware of, but it's a blown Hemi. I've got a beautiful blower sitting on top of my motor, which is polished aluminum. And that polished aluminum can be very hard to maintain. And what I mean by that is you've got to get out your metal polish, you've got to get out your towels, and it turns your towels black, and it's a very messy job, very time consuming. Once I polish that out with my initial polishing step, what I do is I take my metal detailer and I come back, and it's a foaming product. And what's nice about that is I can just put a nice little mist onto one side of the blower, whatever section I'm working on, whether it's the valve covers or not, take a clean microfiber towel and start wiping it in. And it lays down a beautiful finish, and it actually shines that finish without leaving that black residue on your towels. And the beautiful part about that is it does leave a little bit of protection behind, so it prevents it from oxidizing in the future. Very easy to use, and it works really well also on chrome and exterior finishes that are aluminum, stainless as well, and polished aluminum. So also great for your wheels. If you've got clear coated wheels that are aluminum, you can still use it on that. It won't hurt it, perfectly fine for that. So this is what I call one of our sleeper products. Not many people are aware that we offer this, but I think those of you that are working on some higher end restorations that are hard to get into those tight areas that are aluminum that you have to polish, try this out. I think you're gonna love it.